Hey guys, so in the previous video we have seen that how we are able to fetch the data in the anime detail screen. So let's try to add some aesthetics to anime detail screens, and let's also try to populate some more data about that particular anime. So what I have planned is that we'll show background, title, type, rank, rating and trailer, right? So let's add other properties. So if I add other property, I'll say text and I'll say anime details dot data dot what I want is background. So if I do that, I'll see an error. The reason I see an error, because now if you see, we are saying if this condition is true, that is if anime details is not undefined, then I want to return an image component and a text component. So till the time I was just returning a single component image, there was no error. But the moment I'm trying to return two components, it says that there is an error. So the rule is you can only return a single component, right? So inside the single component, you can have n number of children component, but you cannot return two components at a time. So what you can suggest is we can use a view and we'll wrap this view. That works, but we may not want to use view. So there's one more way, is that you can use an empty component, right? And this is called as fragment. And there's one more way, is react.fragment you can say, and here also you can say react.fragment to make the readability much better, right? So now we have a anime data.background, so we have some background about that. Let's also see other fields like the type, then we have the rating, okay, rank, then we have the rating, and then we also have the trailer. So for the trailer, what we'll do is we'll use another image and we'll copy these things straight away, and we'll say okay, we are already showing the trailer image. So what we can do here is, here we'll just use the normal images dot large. Okay, so we have bunch of information, right? Now let's say if I add a couple of more information, maybe aired or aired from. So now you can see our image is getting cut because we are not able to scroll. So we have learned that we have to give the ability to scroll to the user, and to do that we can use something called a scroll view. So when we use a scroll view, now you can see that user will be able to scroll, right? So that's great. So let's do some styling so that our anime detail screen starts looking much better. So I'll get rid of this comment, and the first and the foremost styling which we'll do is on this image. And what I'll say is style. Okay, let me create a styles object since it doesn't exist, so I have to create. I'll call it as const style, and it will be style sheet create, and I'll say that main image, and I'll say width as 100%, and then I'll say aspect ratio as 1.77. I'll tell you the reason why it's 1.77, or I may have to change, not really sure. Yeah, if I do that, the reason I gave it as 1.77, because what I want is my width to be greater in compared to the height. So as I already shared that aspect ratio is nothing but height by width, so you can do some basic mathematics and figure it out. So now we have the main image. Now what we also want to show is, we want to show the background. Background is nothing but the description of the particular anime. So we'll say styles dot background, and we'll define some style. So first and the foremost, since it's a text component, we definitely need to define a color, else system default will be taken, and in the case of Samsung it is white, so that's really bad. Now the next thing which we can have is font size, and we'll say font size to be 14 pixel, and we'll say font weight we want to be 400, right? So it's looking good. Now what we can also do is we can have the title, right? Now where should we keep the title? So my suggestion will be, we'll keep title somewhere on the image, right? So how can we do that? So in order to do that, we will wrap our image inside a view, and there is a reason for that. The same we'll be continuing in the next video to place the title on the image itself. Thank you.